Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Knowledge Molds. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your third-party services activated on your Etisalat number, and also the subscription you activated on your number. So what the method and how to do it? So just you need to go to Play Store or Apple Store and just search Etisalat UAE and then click on install. So let the application install in your phone. After it's installed, so just click on your application and put your mobile number, so you can see the interface like this. So just make it skip, and after that you can do it by login UAE Pass username, or just make it simple, put your mobile number, so you will get one OTP on your phone. Okay, so login, and here you need to put that OTP on your number you will receive. Okay, so after putting OTP number, so just make it login, so it will be done on your phone. So it will show you your application home page like this. Okay, so if it's a prepaid number, so you will see it here. So just what you need to do, just click on manage, and after that scroll down and click on your extra. So if like one two or more than third party services activated that deducting your money on your activated number, so from here you can deactivate. So just click on first here. As you can see in video, like 4 third party services activated. First one like 1 dirham daily, so we unsubscribe that one. Then we can click beyond VR. So let's see and check home, 3 dirham every day. Okay, so click on unsubscribe, so let it unsubscribe. So it's already done, and so it's loading, deactivating, and just wait. And it's also unsubscribed, so you will also get the messages as well for unsubscription. And the third one, the dual game, just click on this, wait it, and when you will see the like icon will show you unsubscribe, so just click on unsubscribe. So how much was that? 3 dirham 25 fils. So you also unsubscribed for this as well. So how much money they were deducting, so it was too much, if you were putting balance, they will suddenly taking money. So by this you can save you a lot of money. So just deactivate your third party services by this Etisalat best application, best use of this application. So go for the fourth one, and after checking the fourth one, here you can see it's taking some time to loading. So let it load, and just unsubscribe the last one, play mix, and just click on this and see how much it's deducting. Let it load and wait for it. It's taking a few seconds only. Okay, so normally you have to wait like how much the charge is. So it's also for 3 dirham 25 fils. So click on unsubscribe. So unsubscribed, this total 4. Now it's done. Okay, and further we can check your application, like it's your application. So just you can click on your add-ons or subscription. If you subscribe for any offers, for daily, for weekly, for monthly, for data and calls, everything, so you can check in this bar your add-ons and so this is the way how you can save you a lot of money, so by unsubscribing a lot of third-party services and activated subscription and add-ons on your number. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.